Hello guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to permanently enable or permanently disable your HP laptop keyboard backlight. So in this video, we will learn this guys. So as you can see guys in my screen, so when I do some activity in my keyboard, so the backlight will automatically turn on. So after some time, the backlight is turning off automatic by itself. Okay, so now if you want to disable your backlight permanently, you can try this method. So in your keyboard layout guys, here you can get one brightness icon. So just need to use this. The brightness icon was set in the F10 key in my keyboard layout. So just need to find out this same icon key. Okay, so just press it, so it will turn on. So once again press it, it will not permanently turn off. So as you can see guys, when I do any activity in my keyboard, so the backlight was now permanently turn on. So if you want to turn on it back once again, just press it. After some time, after 10 seconds, 15 seconds, the backlight is turning off automatically. Now if you want to show your backlight always on your keyboard, at that time guys, you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to restart your laptop. So guys, while restarting, you need to press F10 key from your keyboard continuously, okay, until the boot menu boot screen was not appear on your laptop. So just continuously press F10. So in the HP laptop, the boot key is F10 only. Okay, now guys, here open the advanced option from here like this, and here you can get one option, built-in device option. Open this option like this, scroll down, and here you need to find out keyboard backlight option. So by default the option was set to 15 seconds. If you want to see your backlight always, so just need to select never option from here. Okay, and then press escape button from your keyboard. It will ask you to save your changes. If you want to save the changes, just click on yes, and if you don't want to save the changes, just click on no. Okay, after this guys, your laptop will start normally. After this guys, your keyboard backlight will never turn off automatically. If you want to turn off this, you need to use this F9 key, brightness key from your keyboard layout. That's it. Okay, so that's it today guys. This is a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.